Hi there. It is with great pleasure and honor that I give this talk on Sierra's graduation. She had asked me if I would be kind enough to be her commencement speaker, and of course I was more than thrilled, more than honored. Sierra is an amazing young lady. Let me take a few moments to let you know why I think she's so amazing. My name is Mrs. Dayton, and I am the co-sponsor of the Science National Honor Society. I have been working for Florida Virtual School for about 12 years now. I have been teaching for more than 24. I teach math and science, and I've taught as early as 6th graders all the way up to the college level. And I can tell you, in all my years of teaching high school science and being part of the Science National Honor Society, it is very, very rare to come across an individual as awesome as Sierra. In the 2 years that Sierra has been in the Science National Honor Society, she has grown so much. She has grown in her self-confidence. She has grown in her willingness to participate. She has grown as a leader as well. Perhaps where I have had the most experience working with Sierra is in our tutoring room. Our tutoring room offers tutoring for students in grades K through 12 in the 4 main core disciplines. Sierra is probably my most faithful tutor there. She has been so instrumental in the growth of this program. How do you ask? Well, she has really helped with getting resources. In the summertime, when tutoring is kind of slow, she helps us build our resource bank. She's helped make advertisement slides for the tutoring. Then, while the tutoring is in session, she has such a knack for working with these students. It's quite amazing. As a matter of fact, it is so amazing that it is not at all uncommon for students to come in and ask, can they please be put in her tutoring room? She has quite the following. I am so proud of her. She has also participated now for 2 years in ExploreVision, which is a worldwide international competition where students are asked to create something in the future to make life possible for us. She has been an instrumental member of her team for 2 years in a row. In addition, Sierra has also helped out tremendously with Science Fair. As a matter of fact, to come think of it, I don't think there's anything I've ever needed where Sierra hasn't volunteered to help. She is an amazing young lady. Her attributes, I think, need to be mentioned. Sierra's best attributes are her dependability. She is always where she commits to being. Even when she's not well, she wants to participate. Her dedication is amazing. She's very dedicated. Once she gives 100% of herself, she not only gives the 100% plus more. She is very, very awesome in that respect. The other attribute that I think Sierra has, which is very amazing, particularly for a young lady of her age, is her nurturing demeanor. She's very kind, she's very loving, and the kids know that she really is there to help them. She is an amazing young lady with maturity way beyond her years, and I have been more than honored and privileged to get to know her and be with her these past 2 years. So, Sierra, I wanted to give you some final words as your teacher. So I wrote a poem. So I'm going to go ahead and read it to you now. Here are my final words to you as your teacher, Sierra. I'm so proud I was your mentor. I've watched you learn and grow. You work so hard to help the kids. How fast this time did go. You're a very special person with countless gifts to share. I know you will be successful in life and everywhere. The 3 things I've tried to teach you to last your whole life through, patience, kindness, perseverance, are my special gifts to you. Patience will always serve you well and help you be respected. Kindness that comes from deep within will rarely be rejected. Perseverance changes obstacles into hurdles you'll overcome. It will help you be successful where others have succumbed. You know I wish you all the best as you graduate today. Know for certain wherever you go, in my heart you will always stay. So those are my final words to you as your teacher. But allow me to give you my first words as your friend. I am so happy and honored to have been part of your academic experience, and even prouder now to call you friend. Sierra, you know you'll always have a very special place in my heart, and now that our teacher-student relationship comes to a close, I certainly hope that time nurtures a friendship that has already been established. Please enjoy your day. Be sure to take time to thank your family and other loved ones that have helped you along the way. I will be in touch soon. You take care. Thank you for allowing me to do this for you. Take care. Bye-bye.